What's going on, traders? Welcome to the channel. I'm John. That's Groot. We trade options here. All right, so we are getting ready to close. The market is about to close. We are talking about AMC today, and I just want to talk about basically the efficient way to own a particularly speculative stock. Basically, I'm using this to fund my current holdings in AMC. So what that is, there is something called a poor man's covered call, and then also I just have a general covered call, but more importantly, I need to close this. So let's dive into that really quick, and I will explain what I'm working with here. So as you can see here, AMC, I'm working with a couple things. I got 200 actual shares. I have naked calls all over the place. Now, I know people are like, what do you mean naked call? It basically just means I'm buying a call outright. So I own, for example, this 42 strike call that is for a ways out, January 21st of 2022. We have 142 days left. And basically, this is an in the money call. And so to give you an idea, I actually sold a call against it. So in essence, as you know on this channel, I've used a lot of regular covered calls where I own 100 shares. And then this is where I sell a call against it. It's almost like saying, hey, I put a limit order to sell my shares at $75 a share. And based on that, I'm using my 100 shares as collateral. So you can see I did that one day in trade here, and already I'm at $47. So to give you an idea, that's basically 23 to 24% gain in one day of trading. And then here in this other one, I'm looking at basically about a $23 profit, 24 it says now. So if I go off of that, I'm looking at about 18% gains in just one day of trading. And this is really nice because I just use this to kind of chip away, and eventually these calls will be completely paid for. So as I keep doing this, I'm looking pretty good on that front. So I'm actually going to close these now before the market closes on me. I don't want to deal with that issue. So not too bad. A couple things to note. If you are new here, you are going to want to check out the Discord server. I'm putting my watch list up there. That is the most important thing. And if you're showing up there, you're going to see the most important thing here, which is Dick's Sporting Goods. They have a massive dividend coming up here soon. It's $5.50 a share. So that's a pretty massive special one-time dividend. And those are things I'm planning on trading because typically in September, it is a very, very volatile month. So I'm trying to play it light, keep it cool. You know, we'll see where things go with that. But I wish you all happy trading. Don't forget to jump on the Discord there.